Welcome to America Best Appliances YouTube channel. We bring you the best info on home appliances. Visit our website at americabestappliances.com. Before we start it, please like and subscribe to our channel. How to pick the best appliances for your home. It is an overwhelming task to select the best appliances for your home when so many styles, features, quality, and technology options are available. In this short article, you will be informed about various proven strategies and methods to pick the best appliances for your home. Developing a plan, taking into account the budget, and researching appliances will be very helpful to choose the best appliances for you. Without waiting, let's get started. Set a strategy. One of the most important factors that need to be taken into account when picking appliances is to make a proper plan. A well-devised plan will help you to carry out the required action professionally and properly. Keep your budget in mind. Secondly, you should bear in mind the available budget that can be used to select the best appliances for your home requirement. Choosing the best things while remaining in the budget range is a difficult thing to tackle. It requires a lot of research and trial. Choosing the best appliances. Once you have devised a strategy and estimated the budget, then comes the time to hunt and find the appropriate appliance for your home. Here we will discuss important considerations while picking the best appliances. Refrigerators. To pick the best refrigerator for your home, you have to select one of the installation types: freestanding, built-in, or columns fully integrated. While keeping in mind your family's requirements, you can pick from available sizes and capacities. After the installation selection comes the refrigerator configuration. French door refrigerators and side-by-side refrigerators and side-by-side refrigerators take less door swing space and are easier for children to access. The refrigerator and freezer set may be a good choice for large families. Dishwashers. While selecting the dishwashers, first of all, choose the style that fits the rest of the appliances. Dishwashers installed flush with kitchen countertops and integrated dishwashers matched to cabinetry using custom panels are in vogue. Next comes the cleaning features. Select one with numerous cleaning cycles. Don't forget to compare the number of jets and types of racks. Besides, choose one with a noise level lower than 45 decibels sound levels. Besides, available size, energy consumption, and water usage should be taken into account as well. Ovens. While picking the best oven for your home, you may go with either a wall oven or a traditional cooking oven. You have to consider the amount of baking, broiling, or roasting when picking the wall oven. Wall ovens are available in standard sizes of 27 and 30 inches and in either a single or double oven configuration. Double oven is a good choice for large families. The convention is also an important feature that must be considered. While the speed cooking oven is a type of hybrid convection and microwave oven. These ovens are the best options for accommodating busy lifestyles and for smaller kitchen spaces. If you're going to pick this type of oven, then you should bear in mind the correct voltage for your selected location. Hey there, how do you shop for home appliances? Reply in the comments section, please. Thank you for watching the America Best Appliances YouTube channel.